विधानसभेन कोमुनिदाद जमनींचेर आशिल्लीं अनधिकृत घरां अधिकृत करपाचें विधेयक पास जाल्लें. पास जाल्या उपरांत ह्या विधेयकाक विरोध करपी पयली कोमुनिदाद करमळची थरली. करमळे आयतारा जाल्ले कोमुनिदादीचे बसके वरवीं हो विरोध मुखार आयलो. आमदार वेंझी म्हणटा भुमिपुत्र बिलाचें हें नवें वर्जन. विधेयक गैर पद्दतीन पास जालां.
On the 8th of August 2025, during the assembly session, there was the Goa Legislative Diploma number 2070 dated 15/4/1961 Amendment Bill 2025, Bill number 39 of 2025. हे सरकारान पास केल्लें आहा. Being part of the assembly, we the opposition have opposed this illegal drafting of the bill. The bill in general says that anybody who has got house or illegal structure on a Kumdad land has to ask the Kumdad to make it legal, and if the Kumdad opposes it, if the attorney opposes it, then he has the right to go to the administrator, and the administrator within a specific period of time should grant it considering deemed approved. So here basically illegally draft kelya. It is not that we as Carambolim Communidade, it is not that we do not want to be humans. We are fully supportive to all humanitarian grounds. लोकांक गरीब गोंयकारांक कितें दुबार जरी तर तें बांदलो आहा कितें जाल्यार तांकां आमी सपोर्ट करपाक गोंयकारांक रेडी आहाय. पूण हें इल्लिगली हें बिल लोकांक फोटोइन हें मुखार वचपाना. So in this today's general body meeting of the Communidade of Carambolim, we would want to ask our members over here, the entire quorum, do you agree to this illegal bill where Communidade is the owner but there is no consent of the Communidade and it has been bulldozed, and then this kind of regularization of illegal structures is happening in an illegal manner? Do you all agree to this?
No. We oppose 100%.
Whoever opposes this bill, kindly raise your hand.
We all oppose.
We all oppose.
We all oppose.
So today, the date is 10th August 2025. The members of the Communidade of Carambolim, during the general body meeting, opposed the Goa Legislative Diploma number 2070 dated 15th of 4/1961 Amendment Bill 2025, Bill number 39 of 2025, called as the illegal Bhumiputra Bill version 2, has been unanimously opposed. Correct?
Yes.
We all oppose.
I think all over Goa, Carambolim Communidade is the first Communidade who has taken a general body meeting. This was also so called as the Bhumiputra, new version of the Bhumiputra illegal bill which was being proposed. There is no government's role here to bulldoze our code. We send a strong message to all the Communidades across Goa that we should send a strong message to the government that we do not support this illegal Communidade drafted bill, illegal Bhumiputra bill, and we would want that the bill should be going back out and should be thrown out. Communidade Code has not been followed in this bill. Communidade land cannot be sold, Communidade land cannot be converted, no Communidade land changes can be done on any of the government bills that are coming up.
Bureau Report, Prudent.